Hey guys, I made a video a couple weeks ago and I was talking about an opportunity for fitness trainers right here on Long Island to work with Healthy Meals Direct. That package is about 2 weeks out from completion, and I can tell you what it's not going to be. It's not going to be the hoopla that you see going on nowadays, where said meal prep company seeks out people on Instagram with a lot of followers and gives them free food and then says, hey, in exchange for this free food, I'm gonna need you to post us and say you eat our food and that's how you got so shredded. Say that you eat everything on our menu. Whether it's true or not, that's what it's not gonna be. It's gonna be more of a partnership where you as the fitness trainer get promoted by us. We only have 20,000 followers, but I tell you what, it's an organic following, it's a local following, and you're going to be able to display your business, what you're about, with us, and you're going to be able to have a real meal prep company to refer your clients to, where their success is going to be guaranteed because it's 50% what you eat and 50% your exercise routine. So you as the fitness trainer are going to be satisfying the fitness aspect of it, and we'll take care of the rest. Just a little background. When I was a personal trainer for 10 years, I was very involved with my clients. That's how I started this business. So I had the workout routines, and then I couldn't really help them with the nutrition part. And then I had an idea. I'll make your food. And when I did that, it completed the fitness circle, full circle, where they had the nutrition and the fitness. And there was no such thing as those people that say, nothing's gonna work for me. It just doesn't work. I tried it. It just doesn't work. I'm just one of those people. No. So if you're a serious fitness professional and you want to grow your business, we can help you do that. If you're a serious fitness professional and you don't want to get caught up in the trendy meal prep business that's been infiltrated by, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all, but fraudulence. I'm going to say that as fraudulence. If you're one of those people that doesn't want to get caught up in that and you're really into delivering results, in 2 weeks going to have some good news for you, and I look forward to speaking with you all.